In this video, I'm going to show you how to go over the line segment tool and a few tools that come along with it. So these ones are actually pretty simple. So we're going to click on the line segment tool here in your toolbox, and it just pretty much draws a line. You can control the thickness the same way you control the stroke for every other path. You can control what kind of line you want it to have, so it can be tapered on both ends. Let's fatten it up so you can really see the difference. Or you can make it kind of do this squiggly thing. You can give it a charcoaly brush stroke, just like you can with regular paths. So that's the line tool. I find it actually pretty handy because otherwise you can do it with a pen tool pretty well. And you might go, well, why not just use the pen tool? Because the line tool, you just click, drag, let go. The pen tool, you'd have to click, drag, let go, and hit return. So I guess maybe I'm just so lazy that I don't want to hit return. So I just use the line segment tool. I don't know, maybe you're like me. Okay, so the arc tool. Same idea, right? It just creates a nice solid little arc. Why not use the pen tool? Same reason. In fact, the pen tool has a lot more versatility. You can control the shape of the arc a lot better with the pen tool. But if you just need something, real quick that seems to do the job, sort of like this, the arc tool does just fine. These ones I do not use very often, but I suppose you could. It's called a spiral tool, so you can create this kind of cool spiral effect. You have the rectangular grid tool, does exactly what you think it would do. And last but not least, the polar grid tool does, if you know what a polar grid is. I would not know what a polar grid is outside of Illustrator. I think it has to do with math. Not my strong point. I don't know about you. But anyway, it does that. So those are the line, that's the line segment tool.